Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Oppo Pad Air. Turn off your phone by holding down the power key and volume up buttons simultaneously for a while. Once the phone is off, press the volume down and power buttons together for a moment. Release all the buttons when the recovery mode screen appears. Select the language English from the options presented. Choose the option to wipe data and enter verification code if promoted. Tap on Format Data and then Confirm Action by selecting Format. Wait for a few seconds and then touch the OK button to proceed. Finally, select Reboot and confirm by tapping OK. Remember, all your data will be erased during this process. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup process for your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.